Volkswagen Baja Beetle, the Flying Custom Series C-Case, just came out this month, and I bought them from Scoomer, or from Diecast Demon, and he's at the site Scoomer.com. You guys heard me mention it already. So he's selling them for $11, the 4-car set. You got to buy him from him. He's a real good seller, and he's just honest guy, and he throws in free cars to give to other people. And this is the yellow Baja Beetle, brand new, and that's what it is. So go check it out. And they're selling quite a bit of them. They're definitely in full cool supply. And the one I'm looking forward to next now is the M case, the Boulevard M case. They've got those out now. They're hard to find. They're limited supply, but okay, enough of my rambling. We'll ramble ourselves out of here with the Baja Beetle.